Alright, the ingredients that I am using for my Crocktober video is a 2.37 pound chuck roast. I'm going to sear this and then I'm going to add it to my crock pot. So let's go over the ingredients. Here's my chuck roast, 2 potatoes, diced onion, carrots peeled, diced, celery I already did. This was like I'm going to say it looks like about 1 cup. And also, I'm going to use some broth base. And it requires 2 teaspoons of broth base per 1 cup. I'm going to start out with, I think, a 4 cup of the broth. So, let me take you over to my stove and let's get this crock pot meal going. Alrighty, here we go. We want to sear it just on the top and the bottom. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Appreciate everyone for joining. I want to thank Tony over at Kettle Kitchen. Let's get my meat in there. I actually used a crock pot, a slow cooker bag. Easy cleanup. Oh, you do. Technical or lighting difficulties. Alrighty. And now, in here I have my potatoes. You could also use like the tiny whole tomatoes, red, white, whatever you want to do. This is going to be slow cooking for 8 hours, so I left it in pretty good sized chunks. That way when we go to eat this evening, there will be a potato in there and not just a little smidge of something. So, let me pull this a little closer. So you'll have a chance at the giveaway on October 1st. Oh, not October 1st, I'm sorry. November. Like I said, all the information will be in the description box below. Look at this, you guys. I cannot wait to try that. And guess what? What do you do with all those scraps? What do you do with all those scraps? Well, let me just tell you. Hello, let's do a taste test. I want to thank Tony at Kettle Kitchen for inviting me to Crocktober. I really enjoyed this. And so, let's give it a taste test. Are you guys ready, and gals? Fresh carrots. Now for a potato. That's so good. Logo that I have is either going to be here. It's a pumpkin. That is in all the videos, to make sure that you are commenting on the right one to have a chance at the awesome prizes. So, thank you very much. Y'all, take care. God bless.